Good morning, everybody. It is day 5 aboard the Carnival Mardi Gras on the Melanin at Sea group cruise, and we are in the beautiful Cove, Dominican Republic. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Man, we got so much planned for you. We got a beach day, all-inclusive food, all-inclusive alcohol. We're going to play a little spades, little dominoes, and we just going to turn up on the beach for a Melanin Takeover. There's going to be singing. There's going to be dancing. There's going to be beach games going on all day long. Make sure you follow along. Make sure you stay tuned because you don't want to miss this. So as soon as you step out through the little strip, they got all kind of, excursions, carnival excursions, things like that. But we're actually going on a non-carnival excursion. So we actually have to make our way all the way out of the port and head actually to the highway. What's up, buddy? What's going on, man?
Hey, Bobby.
There's a banana boat. They're pulling banana boats out there. They have some railroad boats out there if you're into some of the water sports thing, but can't beat it out here. It's paradise. Lauren Faye from Travel Spree. What's up, guys?
Y'all ran and said, I'm fine, let me go sleep.
It's a marathon, not a sprint, bro. She overbid it like a mug. Right. Come on, man. Come on. You don't even know how to play. You just started playing spades today. You got these brand new cars. You got these brand new cars. Now you're a spades player.
Partner, can you tell them the score again? Because I think he forgot.
72 to 12.
Who got 12?
Who's been in the negative though?
But who had 12?
Y'all
Who's been in the negative?
It don't matter though. It does not matter
Y'all
though.
have been in the negative. So let's just keep that.
We just playing with them at this point, you know what I'm saying? We just got to make them feel like they important. But that don't mean nothing, no. We We gotta make them feel important. What? Just keep watching.
The bidding process.
Hey, man,
Talking to your
don't tell me
person.
how to play my spades, man.
Instead of
Don't
talking
do
to
that.
us,
Don't do that. Don't tell me how to
maybe
play
y'all
my
would be on one accord.
Hey, we good. Hey.
I know y'all literally on one, two. That's how many points y'all got on the board.
Well, at least we all did extra spades in our hands. And let me guess, was it the Joker?
Yeah, y'all was real quiet earlier. Y'all was real quiet. Now y'all talking because y'all up.
We got here 12. Mind your business. You ain't got don't do that.
They was quiet, what they done? No, they was down big a while ago. Now they want to talk. Now they want to talk.
It's always like that, ain't it? What's the thing?
And when they were down, you couldn't hear me.
What? Get right. Put your bag on. Let's run it.
Count them up, because I don't know if they add up. Y'all went 6, huh? Y'all went 6, huh? Woo! You won't do that math. That math ain't nothing over there. Look, don't recount it. You counted it, right? Come on. We got 8.
1, 3, 4, 3.
We went 6.
5. 6. Who is the undefeated though?
You got all the bags. Bag lady.
Undefeated.
Bag
Who
lady.
undefeated?
Come on now.
Jesus Christ.
What that's going to look like?
Hold on. I'm going to tell you
What's the
125
okay.
minus 60. We down to 85.
85.
Damn,
85.
we down to 85. And then y'all got, how many sandbags y'all got? 2?
I don't know. Y'all got like 5 bags.
Y'all got 2 that was that
come on.
So when we eat it, y'all let us sandbags.
But y'all had 5 bags.
It's okay. They was at negative 28. And they just got 52 points, so they still in the negative. But it don't matter.
They cheating. They are cheating.
Baby.
Well, don't-
You put your ass.
Don't mess with us. Don't do that. Don't do that.
It is 66.
Use your calculator.
What's negative 28?
You got a calculator on
I
there. Use your
am.
calculator.
Negative 128. Wait, how am I gonna be negative 128? Look, hold up. That should have lost. Y'all had, we should have been these for. No, it was y'all had 5 was the first. Yeah.
No, that's not it. No, she lied. That's not it. That is, y'all ain't even got 200 points.
But y'all, it's over.
No, it's not over. Keep
It's
saying.
over.
It ain't over. It ain't over.
It ain't over to the fat lady saying it ain't hit that opposite. Let's go.
Till the clock say 0, colon 0, 0.
Nah, I feel you. I gotta get with my partner though. She do be on the bed.
See, I told you. See, I told you your partner be undefeated.